Do some things with you real quick, though. I want you to do this. And what you're gonna do is keep your hands in that position at all. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna come up, I'm gonna come down. I just wanna see how you can handle the force, alright? Alright, just release it.
I just observed that this one was coming in a little bit more.
I mean, but pain-wise.
No pain, no pain.
Okay, all right, no pain. Go inside. Yeah. All right, down. Come on. How does that feel?
Fine, no pain.
So now you like this. Now you relax. I'm gonna dip this finger down, so I'm gonna actually do this with you.
Okay.
Put that thumb down. Yeah, just like that. All right. So I'm gonna push down. I want you to resist me, okay?
Okay. Yeah, that's not happening.
Gotcha. Okay. You feeling pain or
No
is
pain.
it just
It just feels weak.
Okay.
It just feels
For
weak.
sure.
Let me try it again, but I think the same thing's gonna happen.
Okay, for sure. Just relax it for a second. Yeah, I don't want you loading up trying to relax that shoulder for a second. There you go. There you go. Okay. Straighten this. Yeah, there you go. All right. I'm gonna have you right here.
Yeah, that's
Okay. What about inside?
That's a little strong.
Okay. There you go. Outside. Do you feel pain with that?
Just a little bit in that.
Where is it at?
Anterior
Okay.
portion of the shoulder.
All right. So I'm gonna have you do this. We're gonna do the same thing. All right.
Okay. So down first.
How does
No
that feel?
pain.
All right. Bring it in.
No pain. Yeah, pain.
Where are you feeling?
And same position.
So it's in the front, or is it like right below that?
I think it's so it's not. The thumb is moving back up. Nothing there.
So that's right on that
Yeah.
biceps tendon. All right. I want you to. I'm gonna have you do. We're gonna come in. All right.
So bicep curl.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. How's that feel?
Fine.
All right, I'm gonna have you in all the way. You know, I'm gonna have you come up.
Okay.
No. You're gonna. I'm gonna pull you out. You're
Oh, so I'm
resist.
resisting. Okay. That's fine.
That's fine. All right. So you said all this was happening when you were actually lifting with free weights and doing bench press and all that.
So I would as I started to because I was doing it 3 times a week, just bench pressing, like traditional pull-ups.
Sure.
I started to notice as I was doing bench press, I was like, yeah, I feel a little tightness there.
It's gonna be just like that.
That's not bad at all.
There you go.
Yeah. that was good. That was
Yeah.
good. I wasn't expecting you to do it at that.
There you go.
Oh, I felt it.